Hola todos! What an honor it is to be speaking to you as part of the Panama Bird Festival. Today, I'm just addressing you briefly from the US, from my home in Virginia, to tell you how much I'm looking forward to being with you in Panama in 2022. I'm really excited to meet you and to participate in this wonderful and really important festival, which just so beautifully celebrates biodiversity, conservation, and accessibility to all who love and cherish birds. In 2022, I'll offer a talk on the clever and extraordinary behavior of birds, including species that make and use their own tools and teach one another new things. Birds that communicate in ways that resemble language, birds that count and create their own works of art, and birds that raise their young together and court in extraordinary ways, birds that pass along cultural traditions. So my talk will feature some of the quite amazing birds of Panama, including anis, manakins, and hummingbirds. So may you have a spectacular virtual festival this year, and I can't wait to see you all next year. Thank you so much, and happy birding.